Connect Event 2011, and this is the GoGrid booth. And I'm going to hopefully be talking to some people about what they think cloud computing really is. All right, so who am I with here?
Hi, I'm Martin Tantow. I'm president of Amiro Consulting. So what's cloud, you asked me?
Yeah, I want to know what does cloud mean to you?
Well, what cloud means to me or to us? I mean, for me, it's actually the next big thing in internet. Of course, you can just separate it more like technologically, like in IaaS and PaaS and SaaS. But in the end, I think it's really where the cloud or where the internet is moving to, that everything is stored, not centrally, but stored in the cloud. And if you think back, in the end, an email service like Hotmail was actually one of the first cloud services out there. Just people forget it. And now, GoGrid, Microsoft, Amazon, and many other companies are just moving towards there. And we're very excited about the cloud itself.
Great, thank you.
That'd be great.
All right, so who am I with?
You're with Sven Hammar from Apica.
Great, so why don't you tell me what the cloud is?
The cloud, I think, means different things for different people, but for me it's that you could host your servers without paying an upfront fee, and it could scale according to your business need without worrying about physical dependencies. And you should be able to scale on demand, not just by paying upfront. And if one server should go down, you should have elasticity that goes over to another data center. And by doing so, you will create some kind of ecosystem that will give you the ability to buy servers and services without developing them upfront for yourself.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Siddhartha Agarwal. I run the Americas and emerging markets for Zend, the PHP company, and a third of all web applications run on PHP.
Great. So tell me, what do you think cloud is?
You know, cloud gives developers the flexibility to deploy fast, to try things out fast. Developers are not infrastructure people, and it frees them from having to think about infrastructure. So cloud really enables developers to do what they're best at, which is develop applications, deploy them and see if they work, take feedback from the users, and you know, work on improving those applications and do it fast without having to think about infrastructure.
Great, thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, I'm George Reese with CTO with enStratus, and cloud computing is essentially on-demand self-provisioning of IT resources, whatever those resources might be, whether it's virtual hardware or software or platforms or whatever, and that evolution actually alters the way we do IT.
Great, where do you see it going?
I see that very soon now the world is going to go to an environment with at least new kinds of applications where end consumers, being departments of organizations rather than IT, request applications, and they do it on demand, and nobody's aware of the infrastructure that goes into putting that together.
Great, thank you.